big underinflated tires for rock crawling. Megan, any comments pre-voyage?
But nice knowing you.
Hey!
Alright. This is where we're going to start. We're very tight, 6 ball.
Merrimack.
Two Civil War battleships. Monitor, the middle one, was from the north. Merrimack was from the south. Merrimack was. Yep. Merrimack was the biggest ship ever built until the Titanic. It was supposed to actually be the unsinkable ship.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Always fun for me.
Interesting.
But if you feel it, and then you feel the ruck, you are more than welcome to touch them, all of them. Just please do not take a piece or break off a piece. That is illegal. They do feel different.
Oh.
How do they find that in the first place?
Right.
In a rock like that.
They do pop out every so often if the sandstone does the road away.
Yeah, it's slippery. It feels slippery.
Brian,
Yeah, it feels like you're taking something off with your fingers.
60 feet long.
one big leg bone. One big leg bone.
Sure.
The signs do show you which bone it is. Whoever made this.
How do they determine that?
That's that bone.
Yeah.
Supposedly they scanned this whole area. Road is going to be a fourth.
This is it. It's also slippery.
The Utah Raptor State Park. I mean, it is technically right now.
That's neat. There's another part of the dinosaur bone right here.
Where they discovered the Velociraptor species.
It says leg bone.
There's hundreds of tracks up
I'm
there.
gonna take the dinosaur bones from right there. The leg bones here.
Dinosaur died.
Here.
Fell in the mud.
Here. Right here. And here. Different layers of stone, sandstone here.
Oh yeah, I see 'em.
It was in operation from 1901 to 1903. There's a trick to finding copper. We have a lot of natural resources here in Moab. We have iron, which we've talked about a little bit today in the dust. Copper, uranium. We have one of the biggest deposits of natural gas in North America underneath Canyonlands, which they will not pump out because it's a national park. So there is a trick to finding copper. You look for turquoise colored rock. If you look behind me, there is no turquoise colored rock, which is why they went out of business in 1903.
Cars fit perfectly in this little slot. Just don't drive off the edge and don't hit the wall. We're going to run alongside one. On the passenger side of your tires. Just go straight up it. And just keep the car moving just like that. Nicely done one.
Thank you.
Alright, this is just a bumpy ledge that we're going to go today. We're going to go up it at a bit of an angle, hanging to the left, until you get up those first 3 major steps. Then you're going to turn passenger to bring it back to the right side of the trail. Just a little exercise for you guys to practice following each other's lines, watching the car ahead of you, and doing what they do. Jeep can get through here, which is wider than us, we can get these little side-by-sides here. No problem. Your time. It's not very long. It's going to take us like 2 minutes to get through here, but we're just going to go slow. If you want some extra motivation to avoid the mud, there are still what are called free-range cattle, and they hang out down here because this is a natural spring. They like fresh water. Where there are cows, there is cow poop. I don't want to get covered in cow poop today, and I don't think you do either, so just go slow.